Hi, second breakfast or lunch? Good morning from us. No, I calculated grams that she eats per day. Each can is 80 grams. Each packet is 70 grams. So 3 cans, 2 or 3 packets. 8, 16, 24, 240, 210, 450. Means 380 to 450 grams per day. I have a feeling she's going to be a big cat. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But it'll be nice if she remains just like this. Okay, the vet called. Oh, there's a missed call when I woke up. I called them back. Asked me to go in for fitting at 3. I said, okay lah. And then we also have to go and drop daddy's, not that robot vacuum thing. Return it. I could return it. I don't know if you remember. Opposite a favorite building, there's J&T Express. Go and drop it off there. Then I've got Emirates at 6. That's about it for today. Oh, we must go to 14 and before we leave, stop and look the balcony. I feel bad every time Mustaq asks, have you gone to see? Have you gone to see? Do you like it? So we'll go and see. Okay, now I need my coffee. Sparrows are too close. I'm going to put her down. And baby. Okay, stop first, huh? I'm going to take her to the kitchen.